But look, guys, there's a thing, right? I call it one-itis, like relying on just one thing, one solution to a problem. And the problem is communication. And it's not just about the technology. It's about the society. So there's a huge problem of communication here in Ukraine, I would argue, and in my personal experience, I would argue, between units, between battalions, between even companies within the same battalion. And that's not something that's just fixed with a Starlink connection, I mean, getting internet doesn't help you communicate better with the people around you necessarily. Thank you, Frag. Frag says, always have a plan B for your plan B. And Europe promises a lot and doesn't always follow through. Or they do, but it's, too little, too late. And we just can't rely on that. There has to be a multitude of different solutions to the problem that if one gets taken out, the other one will work, And so that's what we're working on. And I can't give you details. I can't tell you what kind of antennas we're using. We here, if you want to look at pictures of antennas, these are not the antennas we're using. I would never show those. Okay. But they're just kind of to give you the general example. Okay. And we are also working very hard at increasing the communication and the ability to have communication between units on the front line. So that has to be built in. It's not just about the technology. It has to be built into how the technology works. And I kind of have a secret plan about that. And I'll tell you guys the secret plan when I won't tell the Ukrainian army. And the way to do that is to make different units reliant on each other, to force them to work together. And I have my theory about why why these communication problems happen. Okay, and this is absolutely true in the both the Russian army and the Ukrainian army. And it's that sort of Soviet mindset, mentality, perhaps, where you have it's a little bit like a tribe, okay, or I would more say a vertical of power. And yes, Frag, our units do work with Chimera radios. We have multiple different radio systems that we use. Chimera is one of them. But understand that communication doesn't just mean voices going back and forth. It means data. It means sharing data, sharing plans, for planning together. And of course, before you can plan with another unit, you actually have to plan yourself and learn how to plan. So that's a real challenge.